The unemployment picture continues, just like the economy, to grow modestly. We've put up reasonably good job growth numbers over the past couple of reporting periods, and we've continued to see the unemployment rate drift lower. I think those trends will remain in place. I think if you look at the demand for jobs, they're much higher than the skilled labor that we have. So I do think there's a gap between available workers and the job sets that employers are looking to fill. And so that skills gap needs to be fixed. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen overnight. That takes a lot of education and training. And so I don't think you're going to see as much progress done on the employment front. I think you're making some progress in bringing down the underemployed and bringing them back into the labor force. And so that's also probably a positive, but you're not seeing the wage growth or wage inflation. So that's a two-edged sword. You need wage growth and wage inflation to help drive higher economic recovery rates. But at the same time, we don't want inflation to get out of control, because then you run the risk that the Fed goes into a more aggressive tightening stance. So I think we're in a pretty good place on the employment front right now. I think it could be a little bit better, but the trends are in the right direction.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about SkyBridge Capital Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolio Series G, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.